If you need to close a survey on SurveyMonkey, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Whether your survey is finished, you've collected enough responses, or you simply want to stop new participants from answering, closing the survey is the right move. This helps you keep your data organized and make sure no one else can submit a response after you're done. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey dashboard, look for the survey you want to close. Click on Survey to open the survey management area. After that, find the option to publish or manage your survey. In this section, you'll see the survey you want to work with along with its collector settings. Now locate the three dots next to the survey or collector you want to close. This menu is where SurveyMonkey keeps extra actions for your survey settings. Click those three dots and from the drop-down options, choose Close Collector. This is the step that stops the survey from accepting new responses. SurveyMonkey may show you a confirmation screen asking if you're sure you want to close it. Take a moment to review that prompt, because once the collector is closed, respondents will no longer be able to access that survey link. If everything looks correct, click Close Collector again to confirm. Once you do that, your survey will be marked as closed and new responses will be blocked. This is especially useful when a project is complete, when you want to pause data collection, or when you're ready to move on to analyzing results without receiving any more submissions. If you ever need to reopen it later, you can usually go back into the collector settings and reactivate it depending on your survey setup. And that's it. Your SurveyMonkey survey is now closed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.